Hi, I'm Sarah Ziman. A huge thank you, diolch o galon, to all involved with Wales Book of the Year for shortlisting my children's poetry collection, Why Did My Brain Make Me Say It?, published by Troika. Inside, you'll find poems about school, family and friendships, nature, rhyme, riddles and wordplay. Here's just a short poem to whet your appetite. Packed lunch. On Monday, I opened my lunchbox and I had a ham sandwich, some cheese and onion crisps, and an apple. On Tuesday, I opened my lunchbox and I had a cheese sandwich, some ham and onion crisps, and an apple. On Wednesday, I opened my lunchbox and I had a ham and cheese sandwich, some apple crisps, and an onion. On Thursday, I opened my lunchbox and I had a sandy ham, some crispy onion, and a cheesy witch. On Friday, I had school dinners.